Assalamu alaikum. I am Neha Mahmood Khan, founder of Naze Apparel. And basically, this is the clothing brand, and we are looking for a marketing executive. So, today I'm going to take an interview of Maro Fatima. So, Maro, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Okay, let's begin with our first question. So, Maro, introduce yourself.
Okay, as you know, my name it's Mahrukh Fatima, and I have done my A levels in 2015, and then moving on, I done my BBA from Ikra University. I did my majors in marketing, and then I have an experience of 3 years working with a reputable organization, and now I'm currently looking forward to be a part of an organization to showcase my skills.
Okay. So, Maro, tell me, how did you choose marketing industry?
Well, I have always have a strong creative side and an interest in visual arts. I even started my own business back in a school, creating simple websites and promotional materials for local businesses. And I think that experience combined with my education really solidified marketing as my career. And I'm really excited to be interviewed for this opportunity.
Very nice. So, moving on to our second question, Maro, how would you manage as a marketing executive to advertise our product in the market?
I think, well, there are multiple solutions or multiple techniques which I will be inculcating. For example, I will offer our industry's loyal customers an exclusive preview, or I can use a special introductory offer which would include discounted pricing, reduced rate package, or joint promotion with another business, or voucher coupons, or buy one get one offers. And most importantly, I will make use of Google My Business. Yeah, that's a very important tool that I will be using to promote.
Okay, nice. So, have you ever taken a risk on new tactic or idea? If so, can you tell us about a time when a risk paid off?
Yeah, sure. I think I remember probably the biggest risk I have taken was a recent project where we developed a new feature and which had not been used before either internally or externally, and we mitigated that risk by providing a baseline fallback position to which we could revert in the event of lack of user adoption, and that went really well. And in fact, for that purpose, I was even rewarded as the employee of the month. That was an achievement. Yeah.
Okay, it sounds exciting. And so, Maruk, tell me, how do you stay up to date on journal marketing knowledge and trends?
I use various tools and techniques to do that. For example, first of all, I use Google Alerts. Google Alerts is a service that emails you when it finds new posted results on a topic that I was searching for, and I use blogs, email newsletters, new social media. I engage with people, and SEO, and keep an eye on competitors. Yeah, that's a really important thing, to have a keen eye on my competitor, to have an eye of eagle, as I would say, because we have so much tough competition around, and you cannot just stay behind your competitor. So it's very important to stay up to date, and I use all these platforms I've discussed, and even more than that, to stay up to date, because if I get obsolete or out to date, people would get over me. I mean, I will stay back. So, these are the techniques I use.
Okay, Maruk, my last question is, how familiar are you with our target market?
Well, I think you are trying to check if I have researched enough on your company. Yes, I did research prior coming here, Naze Apparel, and from my research, I understand that your target market is primarily young females, although you also target kids and males as well, but
Yes.
young females. And I can tell from your social media feeds and website that you are really focused on offering them a unique shopping experience that you have, and you also have some great influencers on Instagram. Instagram. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, Maru, thank you so much. We will get back to you soon.
Sure. Thank you.
मारो
Assalamu
हाथों पर
alaikum.
लग जाओगी तो
This is Maruk Fatima. Assalamu alaikum. This is Maruk Fatima, and I am the CEO of Bootshoot. Yes, my company is Bootshoot, and it's a brand for we manufacture shoes and sell shoes, including male, female, and for kids as well. And currently, we are looking for an HR manager for our company, and for that purpose, today I'm going to interview Miss Neha Mahmood. Assalamu alaikum, Neha. How are you?
I am good. Walaikum assalam.
Okay, Neha. So first of all, tell me what has made you choose this field? Why have you become HR manager?
Okay, some of the major reasons why I choose this specific field, I have excellent interpersonal skills. I am so friendly. I love making new hires feel welcome, and I always ready to join the team. Basically, I can develop the people around me. I love to do so. The development of its employees and to play a part in influencing strategic business decisions. So, yes, that's why I choose this field.
Okay, so tell me, Neha, just tell me what are your strengths and weaknesses?
Okay, strengths. So, I am honest, I am focused. I always prefer to work in groups and find that my collaborative nature is one of my strongest attribute. One project that I directed, I worked well to inspire diverse team members and work side by side with them to achieve the project goal. So yes, and about weaknesses, I think I am little bit disorganized and I take so much pressure on me. And yes, I think this is my weakness.
Okay. Okay, Neha. So tell me, if a senior most employee of the organization gives resignation and decides to leave, exactly when we need him the most, then what would you do?
Okay. I would definitely ask him what is the reason behind to leave the job. It could be a reason he's after money, or maybe he's after his comfort, or maybe some kind of commuting problem between us. I would definitely offer him a perfect solution. It might be help him to stay here or work for us. And if he's a good employee, or if he's our senior, he already know that we are in a bad condition. He never leave us at the moment when we need him the most. So
Yes.
I think yes, this is the
Okay.
reason.
Okay. Okay. So now, Neha, tell me, if a male candidate and a female candidate who have almost same abilities apply to your organization, then who would you prefer to hire?
Okay. In my opinion, both men and women are same. In that case, I see who is more passionate about their work, who is more capable, and yes, I see these
You
all attributes
you
in
will
them.
check the
So
expertise. You will not differentiate on the basis of gender, right?
no, no, no. I'm not a follower of gender discrimination.
Okay, that's good. That's
So
very good, and I really appreciate that. Okay, so Neha, now tell me the last question I would like to ask you. If due to some technical issues the organization fails to pay the salaries of employees on time, and as a result employees begin to show resistance to work, then how would you manage such situation? How would you tackle the scenario?
okay, first thing is that we had any issue like this, we will definitely offer our employees a good bonus or any random amount in their accounts just to compensate their time, their emotions, and that period of time with our technical issue. We will definitely compensate them. Yeah, and if we offer these types of solution, our employees will never resist with his work and with his job and with their work. I think this is the solution
Okay, yeah, Neha,
if we compensate them.
yeah, I think that's a good way. Okay, so now Neha, it's time to wrap up. We have a good interview from you. Thank you so much for your time, and we will definitely get back to you. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you so much.